Want to boost your Fiverr ranking and impress buyers with lightning-fast responses? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to provide quick, professional responses that improve your response rate and win more business. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your response time is a crucial metric on Fiverr that directly impacts your visibility in search results and buyer trust. Fast, professional responses can be the difference between winning and losing a project. Let me show you how to master this skill. First, enable Fiverr mobile app notifications so you never miss a new message. This allows you to respond quickly even when you're away from your computer, ensuring you stay within that critical first response window. Use Fiverr's quick responses feature for common questions without sounding robotic. Create templates for frequently asked questions about your services, pricing, or process, but always personalize them with the buyer's name and specific details from their inquiry. Set up a structured response system where you acknowledge receipt immediately, then follow up with a detailed response. A simple, "Thanks for your message. I'm reviewing your request and will send a detailed response within time frame," works wonders. Prioritize new buyer inquiries over ongoing conversations. Fiverr's response rate metric heavily weights your first response to new potential clients, so focus on these messages during your busiest times. A crucial pro tip: keep your response time under 1 hour during your working hours, and never let any message go unanswered for more than 24 hours. Also, use the Fiverr app's away status when you're truly unavailable to manage buyer expectations and protect your response rate statistics. And just like that, you've optimized your response system to impress buyers and boost your Fiverr performance. Fast, professional communication shows buyers you're reliable and attentive to their needs. If these response strategies help you win more business, please give it a like. What's your best trick for maintaining fast response times? Share your methods in the comments below. To continue mastering order management, subscribe for our next video on how to send gig extras to buyers on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.